Hi everyone, Welshwin here again, retired for you in sunny Pattaya. So what have I got today? Well, it's going to be a normal day. I'm going to show you where I am right now. Then I need something fixed on my motorbike. And then I'm going to take you to a new Isan bistro on 3rd Road up in Pattaya. So I'm in a park, you could call it an exercise park, with a nice man-made lake. Where is it? It's right behind Laguna 3 Maldives, which is about a 20-25 minute walk into Jomtien to Rompo Market. Now, I used to stay here. I'll just turn around. Last year I stayed at the Laguna 3 for about 4 or 5 months. Great place, don't get me wrong. Loads of swimming pools, few shops inside there and a massage, but the only downside was a little bit far if you wanted to walk into town. But you'd really need a scooter, but there's plenty of taxi guys outside the apartments. When I was living here, I used to come to the park here in the morning and at night and just walk around 5 or 6 times, a bit of exercise. There's plenty of exercise machines all the way around the lake, and you've also got a toilet block there as well. We've also got a kiddies play park here, and also what you'll find around 5-6 p.m. just behind me, they have dance classes sometimes, and there's a football pitch just over there, floodlit football pitch. Sometimes you'd have Thai local teams playing against each other, so you could sit in the stands there at a night and enjoy yourself. And also sometimes you'll find 1 or 2 vendors selling drinks or snacks here as well. I just want to mention something I found on social media yesterday. It's regarding the TM6. Now, you must remember the TM6, it was the arrival card that you filled in on the plane before landing in Thailand. They scrapped it a couple of years ago, but apparently it's coming back, but in a digital format. So you would fill it out on your phone or tablet before coming to Thailand. They've said it will start on the 1st of May, so it's not official yet, and that it would be free of charge. The reason behind it apparently is to keep track on tourists out here. So the good thing I did here is, if it does get rolled out, they will scrap the 300 baht tourist tax that was proposed about last year sometime. So they may scrap that for at least 1 year if they roll out this new TM6. So nothing more to say about it really, but I'll keep you updated on any developments. Big shout out to Mark and Pim. Thanks guys for supporting the channel. Pete and Cherry, was nice meeting you on Soi 5 Jomtien the other day. Cheers guys, enjoy your stay. So yeah, this park, great place to come, just chill out now and again, or ride your bicycle or do some exercise. So while I'm here, I'll just pop into Laguna 3 and just show you some of the facilities. Unfortunately I can't show you a room, but all I can say is at the Laguna now, you could probably get a studio for about 8,000 to 9,000 baht a month, or a 1-bedroom starting at about 10,000 baht a month. at the moment there's quite a lot of refurbishment going on in Laguna 3, but once it's finished it'll look stunning again. So I'm here at my bike dealer on Sukhumvit Road. I need 4 indicators replaced. You know, when you park your bike in the condo parking zone amongst hundreds of other bikes, people push the bike up next to yours, try and squeeze it in, and they just hit the indicators or the mirrors. They got no consideration whatsoever for somebody else's property. So it's going to cost me 1,400 baht for 4 indicators, which isn't bad really. My guess was I'd pay about 3,000 to 4,000 baht. I did try the smaller garages, but they couldn't order the indicators I needed. So I'm here at the GPX dealer. How long are these new indicators going to last? That's anybody's guess. They got a nice waiting room here, serving coffee and water. So I'm gonna have to stick around for maybe 1.5 hours. So I'll just pop across the road for some breakfast. So I got a couple of hours to wait for the indicators to be fixed. So I need some breakfast. Not much choice here. So the only place I can find is McDonald's. Not my go-to place for breakfast, but I just had the breakfast set egg McMuffin with coffee, 129 baht. I think it's a little bit cheaper than back home, I'm not sure these days. So I'm on 3rd Road down in Pattaya, and I found this place last week. It's a new restaurant and it's called the Zab Hai Isan Bistro. So we'll go inside, take a look and see what the food's like. Wake up. So what's my verdict on the Isan bistro? It's certainly probably the trendiest place on Third Road. Very, very nice in there, relaxed. The service was good and quick. Plenty of choice on the menu. They had draft beers there as well, a gift shop, and they also had a VIP room for up to 10 people, which you could rent for a birthday or something, and the prices would be exactly the same. The food was good. I only had a small dish to start with because I wanted to fit in a dessert. So I had the lab pork, and I had a coconut ice cream and 2 orange juices. It was 304 baht. There was a 10% discount because it's a new place. So yeah, I'd certainly give this go again. Another good thing with this place, there's plenty of parking outside. Something you don't see on Third Road very often. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed a normal day in Pattaya. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you all very soon. Cheers.